Good morning, children. Today, let's complete our chapter, The Thief's Story. In the last session, we have read about Anil and Hari Singh. Hari Singh, a 15-year boy who came to live with Anil with the intention to rob him. Now come to the page number 2, paragraph 2. Anil made money by fits and starts. कि अनिल जो था, अनिल made his livelihood, but it was not regular, it was irregular. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next, and what happens? He would borrow 1 week and lend the next day. Sometimes he borrow money from others, and when he had the money, he lent the others. He kept worrying about his next check, and he was always worrying about his next check. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazine. But as soon as it arrived, but जैसे he received the check, he would go out and celebrate. And it seems that he works for magazine. ऐसा लगता था कि he was a writer, he works for magazine, a queer way to make living, and this is the way to earn of his living, his livelihood. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes. One evening he came with a bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher, and he was saying that he has sold his writing work. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress, and I noticed that night that he kept all his money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month. I was working for Anil about a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, I had not done anything in my line of work, and I cheated him a little bit when he went for shopping or purchasing. I had every opportunity for doing so. Hari Singh had all the opportunity to rob him for the theft. So Anil had as Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased, because Anil gave him the another key of the house, so that he can go anywhere as he pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met, and Anil was the most trusting person to whom Hari Singh had ever met. Anil, that is why it was difficult to rob him. And this is the reason he was so trusting. Anil trust Hari so much. That's why it is difficult for Hari Singh to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Hari Singh said it is quite easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford the things, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. But it is very difficult work, it is very difficult task to rob a careless man, because sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that take all the pleasure out of the work, because sometimes the careless man did not know, उसे पता ही नहीं होता that someone has robbed him, and that kills the pleasure of the theft of the robbery. Well, it's time I did some real work. Now the time has come and I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice. I was talking to myself and I was thinking that I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends After all, he doesn't even pay me. And I was thinking myself that if I don't take money, अगर मैं money नहीं लेता हूँ, तो what will happen? Anil will spend all the money on his friends, and after all, he doesn't even pay me, or he never pay me for my work. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stabbed over the balcony and fell on the bed. He was sleeping soundly, and there was a ray of moonlight which stabbed over the balcony near to his bed. I sat up on the floor. I was sitting on the floor, considering the situation, and I was consider all the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. If I success to get the money, or in stealing the money, I have the opportunity of to catch to board the Lucknow Express's 10:30. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. I stood up. I stood up from my bed, and I moved to his bed slowly. Anil was sleeping peacefully. He was he was sleeping soundly. His face was clear and unlined. His face was clear. Even I had more marks on my face. कंपैरिजन में आई हैड मोर मार्क्स ऑन माई फेस. मेरे चेहरे पे बहुत ज़्यादा मार्क्स थे. दो माइन वर मोस्टली स्कार और उसमें भी बहुत सारे स्कार्स थे मेरे. माई हैंड स्लिप अंडर द मैट्रेस. आई पुट माई हैंड अंडर द मैट्रेस सर्चिंग फॉर द नोट्स को मैंने सर्च करने के लिए. व्हेन आई फाउंड देम आई ड्रू देम आउट विदाउट अ साइन. व्हेन आई found it, I took them out quietly. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. Anil was in sleep, and when I was taking out the money under his mattress, Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. उसने मेरी तरफ turn कर लिया. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. I was startled for a minute. I was hesitant and quickly crawled out of the room, and then I left the room quite quickly. When I was on the road, I began to run. I started running. I had the note at my waist. I put the bundle of notes to my waist, near my waist, held there by the string of my pajama, and I tied them with my pajama string. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes, and then I slowed down and counted the money. It was 600 rupees in 50s. And how much the money was? It was about 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two, and I thought I could spend my life like an oil-rich Arab for a week or 2 weeks with the help of that money. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I straightforward go to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The Lucknow Express just left the platform track. The train had still to pick up speed, and it was going to take up its speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriage, and it was quite slow that I was able to catch it, but I hesitated. But there was some hesitation for some reason I can't explain. There was some hesitation in me, but I don't know what was the reason behind it, and even I can't explain. And I lost the chance to get away, and I lost the chance, and the train departed. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I have no idea where to go. I had no friends. I have no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. And I thought that friends create trouble rather than to help you. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the nearby hotel, and I'm not willing to make someone curious कि why he is staying nearby hotel. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. And at that point, I remembered only a person to whom I really know and to whom I robbed recently. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. Then I left the station and moved towards the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. In my short career, I was able, I could do the study of the man's faces, and I knew very well their reactions when they were robbed. For example, the greedy man showed fear. When the greedy man was robbed, it showed fear. The rich man showed anger and the poor man showed acceptance. If the greedy man robbed, it showed fear. Rich man showed anger and the poor one accepted the things. But I knew the Anil's face. But I knew the Anil's reaction when he discovered the theft, when he came to know about the theft, would show only a touch of sadness. Then he became sad, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. And the sadness was there, and the sadness which was there on his face, it was only for the loss of trust, not for the loss of money. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. And now I came to a plain garden ground, and I sat on a bench. The night was chilly. It was cold night. It was early November. It was the time of early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. It was drizzling, which added my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. Later on, there was heavy rainfall. My shirt and pajama stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. And when the rain started, then what happened? My shirt and pajama stuck to my skin, and the cold wind blew, and the cold wind hit his face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. Then I took shelter under a clock tower. The clock showed midnight. The time was 12 o'clock midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. I noticed that all the notes or the bundle of notes became wet. Anil ke money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go with to the cinema. And he started thinking that probably in the morning, Anil will provide him 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema. But now I had it all. Right now, I had the all. I couldn't cook his meal. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, and he was quite sure that in the morning Anil will provide him 2 or 3 rupees for enjoyment to go to the cinema. But now I had it all, but right now it had all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar to learn to write full sentences anymore. I could not cook his meal, खाना भी नहीं पकाया मैंने. run to the bazaar or learn to write whole sentences anymore. ना ही मैंने कुछ लर्न किया sentences, ना कुछ मैंने अपना स्टडी किया. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. I was so excited, that's why I forgot all the things. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. I knew the importance of education, and I realized that through education I can achieve more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal. Simple एक task था steal का, and sometimes just simple to be caught. And it is quite simple that maybe you will be caught by the police. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, but to be a really big man, respected man, or something else, I should go back to Anil. But if you want to get some dignity, some achievement, and you want to survive like a respected man or a clever man, I should go back to Anil. मुझे वापस जाना चाहिए. I tell to myself, मैंने अपने आप को कहा, if only to learn to read and write, only for learning, reading and writing. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous. I was very nervous, but I rushed towards the room, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. It is quite easy to steal, but to hide the stealing, it's a difficult task. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in the clouded moonlight. I opened the door and stand for a minute in the doorway. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed. I reached towards his bedside, and my hand came up with the notes. I took out the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I can feel his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. I stood there for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress. Then I was success to find out the edge of the mattress and slipped under it and slipped it with the notes, and I put the bundle of notes under that. I awoke next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. Next morning when he got up, he found that Anil had prepared tea. He stretched out his hand towards me, and there was a 50-rupee note between his fingers. He stretched out his hands. He was stretching his hands towards me, holding a 50-rupee note in his fingers. My heart sank. I was hesitated. I thought that I had caught. I thought I had been discovered, or I thought that Anil knew everything. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Anil said, yesterday I made some money. Now you will be paid regularly, and from today onwards I will pay you regularly. My spirit rose, but when I took the note, it was still wet from the night's rain. And when I took the note, I felt that it was still damp. It's still wet from the night's rain. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. Then Anil said, today we will begin how to write the sentences, complete sentences. Anil knew everything, but neither his lips nor his eye even showed anything. Anil knew everything, but he didn't say a single word, and he didn't show any aggression. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. Again, I passed a appealing smile to Anil, and the smile came by itself without any effort. And the smile came to my face without making any efforts. This is all. Thank you.